Today I'll show you how to use this product. This part generates heat. These buttons are for adjusting and operating the device. This right here is our new product, the Magicminer WM02 Smart Thermostatic Cup Warmer. Plug it in to power it on before use. Note, for safety, keep the product away from power sources as much as possible when using it. It'll turn on automatically once you plug it in, no extra steps needed. Then it'll show its own built-in Wi-Fi signal. You just need to connect to it. After connection, enter the device's displayed IP address in the browser, phone, or PC. This takes you to the back-end interface. Configure network, mining pool address, wallet, etc. First off, step 1 is to connect it to your own Wi-Fi. Enter the info, then hit save. After saving, you need to click this button to restart the device. Then you can enter your own details right here. Enter your mining pool address, wallet address, and other details here. Enter backup mining pool and address here. Same thing here, hit save, then you gotta click restart for it to take effect. And this area lets you adjust the device's operating parameters. Just hit save again, then restart the device. You can also check the device's real-time running status, performance, temperature, and other info right here in the backend. The small display on the device can also show this info too. These two buttons let you adjust the temperature for heating up water to different levels. There are 5 temperature levels to choose from in total. This is the included cup that comes with it. You can also use other cups with it, just not ones with a plastic bottom. Set the cup on the coaster and pour in pure water. This product only heats up the water to a desired temperature, it won't boil it. Then put the lid on to keep anything from getting in. Cup with water on it, and you don't have to touch it at all.